My name is Rohit Sikarwar and I'm from Magra. My father is tea vendor and my mother is a simple housewife. We are three siblings. I am the youngest one and I am a photographer as well. In my past, there was a lot of struggle. From 6th class, I still remember that day when I left my private school just because of we do not have enough money to spend on my education. Most of the time, we ate our one-time meal only. Whenever I met with relatives and my cousins as well, and told me this thing, you will not do anything in your life. So from that day, I decided to learn something and I decided to become something in my life.
Compose. One more.
My friend told me about there is a free coaching going on near your house. So I joined FEA. First day I did not speak anything. From second day I start questioning. And with that questioning, my life began to change.
When starting, he struggled a lot. He was struggling to learn English pronunciation, but the determination which he got, it helped him to improve only.
I'm promising. I'll perform. One act of kindness. Toward another person. Every day. FEA is not teaching you only speaking English. FEA is teaching you how to grow in life as well. I started photography. With the help of communication skills, we can get more clients. I learned so many things from YouTube videos as well.
FEA के जरिए आज वो इतनी अच्छी इंग्लिश बोल लेता है कि घर में मेरे और कोई भी इंग्लिश नहीं सीखता.
So now I can say that I am earning very much with the help of English and with the help of FEA. FEA grow my attitude, my confidence. I believe FEA is not changing their student life. FEA is changing their family lives as well. And now today I am giving lot of opportunities, lot of work to other photographers. That is good change comes in me, which I like the most.
Most young people from low-income backgrounds receive a poor quality education. This makes it difficult for them to break out from the cycle of poverty. FEA works with youth in the 15 to 27-year age group, a critical time in a person's life. FEA empowers these youth, building and helping realize their aspirations. The program is completely free for the students. It develops English language and personal skills like drive, determination, and self-confidence. To execute its mission, FEA invests heavily in its staff training. Researchers from Stanford, ISB, and other global universities are studying its impact. FEA is incredibly cost-effective given that many FEA graduates more than double their income. It costs only $25 or 1,900 rupees per month to change the trajectory of a disadvantaged youth's life. We invite you to join us as donors, mentors, and ambassadors.